But he'll be gone a day or so.
Wait, don't distract him,
Morning,
don't
he'll be
distract
back
him.
tomorrow night. If he
Let
takes
him do
another
it again.
fine, I'll give it 2 days tops. If I don't find him, at least I tried.
Drop it, Dad.
Stupid
You
sunlight.
can't put...
Muscles, that's your own foot. He's biting his own foot.
himself.
No, I know. I think it's like,
Oh.
now I'm gonna lick my own foot. And now I'm gonna go back to biting it.
Oh. Come on, Mus, do it one more time.
He doesn't want it. He doesn't want it.
He's...
Everybody in this house is stupid, but in.
He's going for like the base of his tail, and then he just wraps his around his leg and eats his foot.
Everybody in this house is dumb.
Out of all the kittens we could have brought home, it was Muscles.
That was the best one.